This is the single biggest mistake people make on their motor vehicle insurance, and it could cost you millions. But I'm going to tell you how to fix it. I'm Tim Miley of Miley Legal, and this is Tiger Talks. You're hurt with serious injuries. The person who did this to you has minimal insurance coverage. Who's going to pay your bills? The single most important insurance coverage you could have, but probably don't, is called underinsurance coverage. What that means is that if you're hurt by someone who has minimal coverage and your injuries greatly exceed the coverage they have, your underinsurance coverage will come into play and pay you for those injuries. And the best thing about it is that it's so cheap that it may only cost you $3 or $4 a month to save you hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars if you get injured. Let me tell you how it works in real terms. You're hit by someone in a car wreck and you're injured. They only purchased $25,000 in insurance coverage. That's all they bought. That's all you're going to get if you're in the hospital for a week, for a month, for a year. That's all you're going to get. Underinsurance motorist coverage will protect you in that situation. And just to be clear, don't confuse underinsurance coverage with uninsurance coverage. And let me explain the difference very quickly. In West Virginia, you're required to have uninsurance coverage, which means you've been injured by someone who is uninsured. Underinsurance coverage in West Virginia is optional, and that only kicks in if you're injured by someone who has a crappy minimum policy. As important as it is to have underinsurance coverage on your vehicle, it's even more important to have it on your motorcycle. If you ever get hit by another driver, a drunk driver, a bad driver, a texting while driving driver, and they have the minimum limits, which in West Virginia is $25,000, the odds of your injuries being greater than the coverage they have to pay for them is very, very high. You will not collect anything for those injuries if you don't have underinsurance coverage and they have a minimum policy. Why does it always seem that the one thing you need insurance coverage for is the one area of your policy for which your company tells you you don't have coverage? Whether it's health insurance, homeowners insurance, or automobile insurance, insurance policies can get complicated. Even if you have underinsurance coverage as part of your policy, it's not likely that your insurance company is going to voluntarily tell you that you have it and offer you money pursuant to that section of your policy. If you have any questions about your insurance policy, reach out to your insurance agent or your company and ask for a deck page or what's called a declarations page, and they will email it to you, and then turn around and email it to me, and I will review it for free to make sure you are adequately covered by appropriate insurance or whether there are any holes in your policy. If you have any questions about your insurance coverage, visit MileyLegal.com and set up a free consultation with me, and I'd be happy to review your insurance policy for free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more episodes of Tiger Talks.